Now, as you know, yesterday we made the fennel pasta, which was lovely, and we showed you how to use the top of the fennel. Have a look here. That's the bit that we used yesterday. That's the top of the fennel there. And then we was left with all this section here. And what Dino did was the water from the pasta, he added 2 chicken stock cubes. Oh, we're looking at the soup, not me. 2 chicken stock cubes and anything else.
Well, just a little pepper, a little salt.
Boiled it up
Nothing
together.
more. Little olive oil is
and
important.
then you blitzed it. I'll tell you what's missing is a little bit of garnish over top. Now, so you've got a soup out of it as well from the woody bits. If it gets really thick at the end, don't use that. It's like using twigs in it. Bit of cream in that would be lovely with some nice bread.
Just no, don't have to forget one thing. When you cut the rest of the fennel, cut very small pieces with a knife. Otherwise, you will have lots of little.
Before you boil it.
Yeah, before you boiling.
There's too much fibre otherwise.
Exactly. Otherwise, the fibre will be too stronger.
Now, I've got another tip for you. I'm taking the fennel. This is by accident. Take the fennel, and when your chewing gum's lost its flavour, just chew it into your chewing gum, and then you end up with fennel flavoured chewing gum. But I suppose you could do that with, you could have origami, you could have, mint.
Oregano.
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 Mint to be brilliant, or thyme, you could do that. So you can make your own chewing gum as well. How posh is that?
You can add the mint, it's fantastic this together already with mint.
So we've made the pasta, we've made the soup, and homemade chewing gum. Go on, find it up.
That's it. Very enjoyable. Bye.